My country people, these two don't come again. No, Yul Edochie and Juju is not stopping anytime soon. See the love in their eyes, eh? These two people, that them fit internet, I swear. Talk from now till tomorrow, talk from now till thy kingdom come. They are living their life. See as they behave like small pikin. Say God don't remember us. So say make all the haters go sit down for poto. Say they will live long and their love will continue to work stronger. My people no be small thing. Wetin you not think? Cause me this particular video too sweet. Make I no lie yo. As you dey watch this video, na so your body just dey totori. This video too sweet, abeg. Even though say you be witch, say you no like better things, seeing this video, my dear friend, you will be smiling. You will not even know when you go dey smile, dey shine your 32, dey go hello. Like this, you get nothing wey you go talk wey go enter these two people. It's safe to say that these two people are in love. Remember, I know they support anybody, but the video sweet.